Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is here now. What are you going to do here and now? This is the time for movement. This is the time to appreciate every small thing. This is the time where champions are made. Your past, that's the past. We can't change that. You're a new being. It doesn't even count. It's like it never even happened. It does not matter. It doesn't mean we don't remember all the goals and all the great wisdom that we learned along the way. But the negativity and living that reality is gone. The future is yet to come. You're not in control of that by worrying about how it's going to happen. How you're in control is in the present moment, building your reality every single day. That's how your future becomes something beautiful. The future doesn't exist. My past is gone. The focus is on the present moment. I have confidence in life again because here and now there is no danger. Everything happens when my soul is ready and I am in total control. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.